Today is a sunny day. Currently I'm at the campus. This condo has won multiple awards on architectural and design. See how beautiful it is? Got fish pond some more. Yeah, you have it. Fish pond. Wow. On the way to the management office to take the key. Okay, this is the LB room. It's one of the block. I don't remember block A or block B. Okay, here we have a CO2 fire system, which the battery fail indicator is lighted up. It's recommended to change the battery. And here we are entering the LB room. So first of all, we need to double check calibration date and make sure single line drawing is available. Fire extinguisher is hang located beside the entrance. Rubber mat is in place. Earthing connection is correct. All panel is properly closed. No obstruction on the walkway. Clean, dry, no moisture, no leaking from above. The door fire curtain is in place. Okay, let's check the voltage. Okay, voltage okay, single phase, three phase. Protection relay is in good condition. Indicator light, okay, 2 faulty, 1 is okay. Indicator light, 1 faulty, this one dim, this one okay. Protection relay is in good condition. Okay, this is a ATS. So we are going to test run the genset by simulating the signal from here. Okay. I'm going to jump this signal and allow the genset to run. Okay, let me put this first. Okay, let's jump it. Okay, I have to hold it here for quite some time to allow the time delay to operate, because there's a time delay, so I need to hold it for about at least 10 to 15 seconds. Because the location of the genset is quite far away, so I cannot hear the sound. Okay, I let go first. The only way to know is to check. Okay, there's no genset supply yet, so I need to try again one more time. This round I need to be really firm to make sure the current can pass through. Okay, this time is running. See, there's genset supply coming. So after about few minutes, the genset will stop by itself. Okay, here we are. This is the MSB number 2. So I start the genset from MSB number 2. This is a cam bank. Currently the load is low, that's why there's no step going in. Let's check everything is in good condition. Okay. Let's see, is there any step faulty? Go to rated step, okay? Then browse through all the steps. Okay, in good condition. Surge arrestor. Okay. Okay, let's walk to other room. Okay, here we have the MSB number 2 transformer room together with the load break switch. This is what we call the load break switch. It's not a switch gear, but it's a load break switch. Inside there's a fuse, and this one come together with a switch, and also there's a breaker. Here we have a tripping unit. So let's have a look at the tripping unit. Okay, need to service because the oxidization is quite a lot here. So I think it's about time. So this is the Onan transformer. Oil natural, air natural. It's a SGB brand. Oil level okay. The room exhaust fan is not running because it's based on thermostat. Currently the thermostat is set at 35 degrees Celsius. Let's check the temperature of the transformer. About 40. Let's feel and see. Okay. This is the earthing, neutral earth and frame earth. Connection okay. There's rubber mat, CO2 system, fire extinguisher hang, and there's an ABC here. As far as I know, CO2 is allowed, but ABC not allowed. But anyway, maybe they just temporarily put in. All right. So everything in good condition. We'll move to check the other room. Okay, now I'm at MSB number 1. That means block number 1 LV room. This is block number 1 LV room as usual. Check voltage, check amp, protection relay okay, calibration not expired, surge arrestor in good condition, power factor value 1.00, no load, okay. Electrical single line diagram in place, rubber mat, the room is dry, fire extinguisher in place, okay, properly locked, no unusual, no danger, no sign of danger, fire curtain in place. Okay, so from here we're going to run the genset by simulating a TMB power interruption signal. Just like as previously we have done at block 2, now we've done on block 1. So this is a genset supply. Currently the genset is not running, so there's no voltage here. So now I'm going to jump the signal and allow the genset to start automatically from here. Okay, I'm going to jump these 2 signals. Same as previous. Hold it a bit longer. Okay, let's check again. Okay, it's running, the genset is running. There's voltage here. Okay, by using this way, I can confirm that when there's a TNB power interruption or there's power supply interruption from the main source, the UVR relay here will call the genset run. The same contact as I simulated just then, it can also call the genset run. As I use this test to confirm, the panel here successfully called the genset to run and call the genset to off, so that I'm pretty much confirmed the genset can automatically function properly during power interruption and during power normalization. Okay, the genset will stop automatically after 3 to 4 minutes. Then later we will have a visit to the genset room. The genset is running now. Look at the smoke. Quite bluish. Very thick. Because it's operating under no load condition. Pretty much under. Okay, automatically stop. Let's check back the genset charger voltage. Okay, this one is off. Any leakages? No leakages. Condition of the hose, no brittle, no crack. Diesel fuel level about 45%. Okay, nothing unusual, nothing abnormal. There's drawing, first aid chart. Okay, later we'll visit the HV room. After genset test run, currently I'm inside the HV room. This is the main HV room for Capers Condo. It is recommended not to run your genset without load for more than 10 minutes. If you run more than 10 minutes, there will be a lot of unburned fuel kept inside the combustion chamber, and eventually it will leak out from the exhaust gap or clearance. But anyway, to resolve this matter, if you already have unburned fuel leaking, the only way to solve this is to run your genset on load condition for many hours, maybe such as 4 hours or 5 hours with load. Then it will burn the excess fuel inside your combustion chamber. So now here we have the 11 kV switchgear. The brand is LKE. This is the remote control box for the termination, where you can terminate remote switching with a cable, and then you can operate this switchgear from outside of this room. So as usual, we just check the protection relay, is it function properly. Indicator light. This is the coupler. CO2 system. Fire curtain, rubber mat. Rack in, rack out tools, fire extinguisher. Oh, the borang B is not affixed here. ST borang B. Okay, the switchgear trolley is here. Let's check the tripping unit. Okay. in good condition, no overcharge. Termination is clean. There's some dirty here. Okay. Electrolyte level is okay. Okay, overall is in good condition. Okay. Hey. Thank you. Wow, 咁香咖喱味嘅。哦，OK。Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now because the office closed from the office closed from residents, so you're not allowed to.
Okay,
walk
understand.
in, yeah.
Understand.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.